Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We're going to show you the tutorial iCloud remove 100% success service proof. You can see the iPhone 12 Pro Max on my hand. It is iCloud locked. We have already ordered this phone to unlock. We will check the order history. Order history IME service. You can see the order has been completed and replied FMI off. I mean find my phone off. Find my iPhone off. You can see the IME here. Also you saw IME on the phone in the same. You can see the order date we have placed order, and we have got replied that it's done at this time. We will check the phone right now. You can see this phone is locked. To active your phone, after order done, you have to connect the Wi-Fi. We have already connected Wi-Fi on this phone. We will go back and we will try to active from start. Continue. Press on continue. You can see it is going to connected internet connection. Checking the internet connection. I hope you saw on the phone screen also this phone is locked. Phone is going to be active. You can see the set to continue, again continue. Passcode option, if you want to set the passcode of your phone screen, also you can skip. Don't use passcode to skip. Don't use passcode. Don't transfer app data. Forgot app ID. I don't have app ID, Apple ID. Tap on here. Set up later setting. Don't use. Agree. Continue. Continue. Enable or disable, that's you want. You can select location service. GPS you can active or inactive, that's you want. Continue. Continue. You can see that successfully activated the phone, and it is iPhone 12 Pro Max. iCloud remove 100% success service support iPhone 7 to 12, 14 Pro Max all model. Thanks for watching my video, and keep using asunlocker.com. You to remove any model iCloud, you can see the iCloud remove services here. iCloud remove 100% success. It will be done within 24 hours. Stay with Asunlocker and enjoy. Thanks.